Welcome to Cooking with Landry. I'm going to show you how to make Easter nests. I'm going to tell you the ingredients. You're going to need butter. You're going to need marshmallows, peanut butter, chocolate chips, and chow mein noodles, and mini Easter eggs. You're going to need a 4th cup butter, and you're going to need to turn your you're going to need your parents' help, and you're going to need to turn your oven to medium speed. Now you're going to need marshmallows. Okay, so you're going to need marshmallows, and you're going to need four and a half cups. You're going to melt them until smooth.
Yep, so you need to stir them.
So I'm going to need to stir them. Okay, so you're going to need fourth a cup of peanut butter. Okay, you're gonna need half a cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now I'm gonna mix them up. Now you need to get 4 cups chow mein noodles. Now I need to mix them up. I'm going to scoop my stuff out, and I'm going to make my nest. Now I'm going to form them into nests. So I got that one. Okay, now I need to put the eggs in the nest. Happy Easter.